What if I told you that the key to reclaiming your energy, improving your circulation, and restoring the kind of intimacy you thought was gone forever isn't hiding in a prescription bottle? What if it's actually in something completely natural, tiny and overlooked, something smaller than your fingernail? Imagine one simple spice that can help your blood start flowing freely again in as little as 60 seconds. Not pills, not gimmicks, not injections, just a tiny, powerful, natural solution. For men over 60, this spice has already reignited energy, boosted circulation, and restored the connection many thought they had lost forever. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 essential truths about male vitality. We'll uncover why erections weaken with age, the hidden factors silently blocking circulation, and how one spice a day can restore hormonal balance, energy, and even sleep. I'll also give you the exact 60-second method, the best times to take it, and what changes to expect after 7, 14, and 30 days. Your health hasn't disappeared. It's still there, waiting to be reawakened. So let's begin. But first, do me a favor. Hit like, comment, and subscribe. Trust me, this is a video you'll want to come back to. To understand the solution, we first need to understand the problem. If you've noticed weaker erections after 60, let me be clear, it's not your fault, and it's not just aging. There's a real, reversible reason this happens. As men age, the blood vessels that supply the penis gradually narrow and stiffen. These vessels are extremely small, about the width of a human hair. Over the years, inflammation, stress, and poor circulation quietly constrict them, reducing blood flow. Erections don't just disappear overnight, they fade gradually, and along with them, confidence often slips. But here's the most important truth. This is not permanent. Your body hasn't forgotten how to respond. It's simply waiting for the right support and the right signal to open those vessels again. And it's not only physical, it's hormonal too. One of the biggest silent killers of male hormones, especially after 60, is chronic stress. When your body lives under constant stress, it releases cortisol, the fight or flight hormone, and cortisol is a testosterone killer. High cortisol, low testosterone. Even otherwise healthy men can feel lethargic, disconnected, or emotionally flat if stress is running the show. And here's something most men never think about. One of the biggest hidden sources of stress and inflammation starts in the mouth. Gum inflammation allows harmful bacteria into the bloodstream, fueling body-wide inflammation that directly harms those delicate penile blood vessels. So, how do we fight back? Hi, I'm Dr. Laura, a urologist with 12 years of experience helping men reclaim vitality, confidence, and intimate health. Today, we're not just talking about sex. We're talking about energy, circulation, hormones, and overall quality of life. And the answer is simpler than you think. A spice that's been used for centuries to boost energy, calm the mind, and support male performance: clove. Mistake number 1, ignoring the blood flow connection. Many men assume weaker erections are unavoidable. That's simply not true. Biologically, erections require healthy blood flow. When tiny vessels narrow, even the best intentions, exercise, diet, supplements, can only go so far. Emotionally, ignoring this leads to frustration, low confidence, and embarrassment in the bedroom. Practically, it affects daily life. Morning energy, stamina, and motivation all dip. But good news? There's a natural compound in clove that acts as a vasodilator, opening blood vessels fast. Mistake number 2, letting stress run the show. Cortisol doesn't just kill testosterone, it affects sleep, mood, and energy. Biologically, stress shuts down hormone production. Emotionally, you feel drained, disconnected, irritable. Practically, tasks become harder, mornings feel sluggish, and intimacy suffers. Clove contains beta-caryophyllene, a compound that calms the nervous system, lower stress, higher testosterone, better overall energy. This isn't just about erections, your whole vitality and quality of life are impacted. Mistake number 3, neglecting traditional science-backed tools. Men often skip natural remedies because they seem old-fashioned, but science is catching up. Clove's eugenol relaxes blood vessels almost immediately. That means faster circulation, better energy, and support for erections. Emotionally, using a natural solution restores confidence in your body's ability to respond. Practically, it's fast, simple, and fits right into your daily routine. Here's how to use clove effectively. Step 1. Use the whole clove. Take 2 to 3 dried cloves, not powder, not oil. Place them between your molars and gently bite until they crack. Step 2. Absorb the oils. Don't chew immediately. Let the oils mix with saliva for 30 seconds. This allows eugenol to enter the bloodstream quickly. Step 3. Chew slowly. After 30 seconds, chew for another 30 seconds to release the remaining oils. Swallow or spit. The effects start immediately. Step 4. Timing matters. Morning on an empty stomach jumpstarts circulation, clears brain fog, and sets your energy tone. 1 hour before bed supports sleep, hormonal balance, and stronger morning erections. Day 7. Subtle changes. Lightness in the chest, gentle warmth, slightly better sleep. Day 14. Clearer mornings, less stress, spontaneous, stronger erections, confidence begins to return. Day 30. Blood flow stronger, sleep deeper, energy steadier. You feel present in your own body again. Enhanced ritual add-ons. Honey contains boron, supporting testosterone and blood sugar balance. A 10-minute walk amplifies circulation, spreading clove benefits. Deep breathing, box breath. Inhale 4 seconds, hold 2, exhale 6. Relaxes the nervous system and improves absorption. For men seeking stronger effects, watermelon extract, L-citrulline, boosts nitric oxide, circulation, and firmness. Advanced formula, L-citrulline plus horny goat weed boosts blood flow, hardness, and stamina. Tonkat Ali supports testosterone, energy, and drive. Fenugreek enhances libido, energy, and orgasm intensity. Nettle root supports hormone balance and prostate health. Together they cover circulation, hormones, stamina, desire, and prostate support. Remember, you're not broken. You're waiting to reconnect with your strength. Small, consistent steps, 1 clove a day, timing, a walk, and deep breathing reawaken vitality and restore confidence. It's about showing up differently in the bedroom, at work, and in life. Age is not the end of vitality. 1 clove, 1 minute, 1 decision can start a cascade of better blood flow, hormonal balance, energy, and intimacy. Invest in your body, confidence, and connection because you deserve comfort, freedom, and strength at any age. I'm Dr. Laura, and thank you for trusting me with your health. Start today. 1 simple step is all it takes. Like, comment, and subscribe to keep learning simple, natural ways to reclaim your health.